Brand new Avid Power Rotary Tool doesn't work. I now got it, and this is the second time I'm putting it on. The first time I put it on just to make sure it actually spins. So I've actually not used this tool at all. Perfectly brand new, no dust on it, nothing. Problem here is this switch has broken, so it does not work. It does not turn on. It's basically practically completely off. This should stay on. Obviously that's not happening. No choice but to open it, have a look inside, see if I can replace that switch. Well, as you can see, fairly small motor, fan for it, bearing here, that little button to hold the shaft, motor there, well, the commutator, the brushes which are accessible from outside, the rotary speed board. Not sure if you can see much on that, maybe we can, but yeah, defective switch. So hopefully I can find something similar in one of my old power supplies. Found one, it's not identical, it's double, but heat shrink it already. It was on this power supply, and that's the two ends. There's the two ends from it. I'm gonna have to jump for those. It's longer, but it's the same overall basic width and size. It's just longer. That's not necessarily a problem in here because there's a little bit more space. Well, let's try that. Cutting it in, not ideal would be in the same way, but I think it'll fit. We'll see when I try closing it up. And this board looks fairly simple. Might as well take some pics and see if you can figure it out after I put it all together, but really not too much on it. It got in, apart from being, it's a little bit shorter, this thing is, the pins are the other direction. It's a double pole, switch is a single pole, so I mean there's poles bent a different way. I've barely managed to cram this in. There's barely a little space there, but that turns, so it should be okay. Let's see if it works. Despite all the challenges getting that in, it did in fact go in at the end, and it does work. Well, you can hear it, probably can't see it. Let's try to stop. One hand. Yep. So, success. Really unfortunate though, as it's brand new. I mean, never been used. Absolutely never been used. And this is the switch that came with it.